Hi everyone, my name is Saad Mughal. I'm the CEO of Meta Mechanics Auto Repair Center LLC based in Al Quoz Industrial Area 3, Dubai. First of all, I want to share with you that from where exactly I started my career. 23 years back, I started my career in automobile industry as a service advisor. Alhamdulillah, I did well, and my last job was country head of one of a reputed organization here in United Arab Emirates. During this time, I found some gap in the market. There was lack of transparency and honesty, which I felt. So I wanted to fill that gap. I have a VN and I'm working on my VN. So in order to fill that gap, I started my own setup. Alhamdulillah, in Meta Mechanics, we are doing very well, and our customer satisfaction rate is 99.9% in last 2 years. Soon we are expanding our team, and we are expanding our setup to other Emirates of UAE, and also soon we will be expanding our team to Middle East countries. My main focus is to educate my customers and to provide them knowledge so they can how they can deal with the complex repair of their cars, even if it's related to the engine, if it's related to the gearbox, it's related to any electrical issues, computers, radars, anything. I want to educate them, and I want to tell them from my knowledge from past 23 years, the knowledge I gained from UAE market and from my home country. I want to share that knowledge. I want to educate customers so how they can deal with the problems on daily basis they are facing with their cars, so how they can deal with that. So stay tuned to Meta Mechanics Auto Repair Center LLC. I'll share more videos with you for the repairs and other things, so I can educate you and I can teach you exactly that how you can deal with the complex repairs of your car to avoid any high repairs or to get rid of the issues and surprises. Thank you so much.